From eye contact, let's shift to how our facial expressions can really make or break a presentation. Whenever we are very much conscious or nervous while delivering a talk, we tend to unknowingly do it with a flat face. That's expressionless with a zero smile. ऐसा लगता है कि जो बात कहने आए हैं बस कह के खत्म करें. होता है ना? पर क्यों? कोई हमें भगा देगा अगर हम थोड़ा हंस के बोलेंगे तो? या हमें सिर्फ कहने के लिए ही खड़ा किया गया है? हमारी बात को ऑडियंस याद रखे, यही इंटेंशन होना चाहिए ना? Just imagine if I tell you about my journey of transformation from being an educator to an entrepreneur with no facial expression or smile at all. Like, I have been an educator for over 2 decades, and during this long journey, I got the opportunity to understand and relate with the young minds, which motivated me to help them in their journey of success in their personal and professional life. अच्छा लगा? Could you relate to it? Were you convinced as to what I said? Obviously, no. You could not connect with my words. Rather, you were confused between my expressions and my credibility, as I couldn't feel what I said. So relax your facial muscles. If needed, you can do some stretching exercises if you feel like. Wear a smile most of the time during your talk. You know smile is contagious, even if you have butterflies in your tummy. Relate your facial expression with the emotion of your talk. For example, मैंने तो यहाँ बोला है that wear a smile. अब आप बहुत serious बात कर रहे हो and then also you are smiling like yesterday there was a mishap in my locality. With a smile, it does not look nice. So relate your facial expression with the emotion of your talk. And be realistic, the proper expressions will come automatically. You know, the best example of using facial expressions as a tool to get your work done can be learned from small children. How they successfully convince us to do things according to their wish with an appropriate facial expression. We can learn so much from them. Now a little bit of activity time. Practicing your facial expressions can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your talk. And here are some ideas to help you practice. First will be a mirror practice. Before hitting the stage, practice your talk in front of a mirror to see how your facial expressions look. You can record yourself also. Record your practice session and then you can watch them multiple times to see where you can improve. And it will be even better if you can get feedback. Ask your friends, family members, or your well-wishers to watch your presentation and give you feedback on your expressions. Remember, the goal is to connect with your audience. By using your facial expressions, you can make your talk more engaging and memorable. So relax, smile, and let your face tell your story. Do not try to overdo. Stay natural and authentic with your emotions on the face. You can do it. Don't worry. Happy practicing.